This light is extremely bright. This is so cool. It is an RV light or an outdoor light. It is outdoor rated, very strong metal, and I have it wired into a 12-volt transformer. So at 12 volts, it's pretty bright. It goes up to 30 volts. You get the mounting bolts, tool, and a gasket. And I'm gonna unplug the light and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the light not plugged in, not wired in. It's very nice and heavy. It's a metal frame with through holes. It has a wire, notch for the wire. So you'd have the gasket to seal any penetrations in the siding or whatever, and then you could bolt it in. So fairly simple, nice and heavy, very bright. Says 10 to 30 volts. I used 12 and it was very bright with 12. I can't even imagine with 30 volts. So really nice light. I really like it.